we're out walking around today. It's day 4. We got a lot of stuff done this morning back at the hotel. And now we're going to go get some hot chocolate. Luca, do you want some hot chocolate? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Luca. We have hot chocolate or chocolat chaud from Angelina near the Toddler's Gardens.
Baby!
Do you want to have a bite?
If you guys haven't had this before, it's super rich,
super rich, really thick. French toast. Here you go, baby. Luca loves it. You like it dipped with a Madeleine, huh?
Great for dipping.
Yeah, is that good?
Luca's favorite way to eat dip. Anything dipped.
Anything dipped. It's chilly out here, huh? Not with this hot chocolate. You want another bite? Luca, do you like that hot chocolate?
Okay.
It's all gone. We have more. Okay?
Please.
Please. Luca, you just stopped dead in your tracks. What is it that you see? Wow. Is that a genuine French trash truck? Wow. We are so lucky to have seen this tonight. Do you want to say hi to the trash truck, Luca? Yeah? Okay, we'll wait here. Trash truck, yeah. They left. We're gonna go have some dinner now, okay? Oh, good. Oh, what did Luca find? He found the macaron shop. Luca wants some cookies. Well, who wouldn't be attracted to this beautiful shop? We're going for trying the restaurant. Luca's not easy to read. Okay, you need to sit down, please. No, we actually found a place that has a high chair.
On purpose, that was more
French.
family friendly.
This cute French high chair. Looks just like little chairs. Luca, you have to sit down. Do you want an olive? Yes, please. Okay.
A lot of family friendly comments in the reviews.
Do you want to have this? Can you say please? Do you want water? Want olive?
But Luca still is not being restaurant friendly.
No.
He's not cafe friendly right now.
Not cafe friendly.
As you see, when we take Luca out to the restaurant, we have to have a separate table for everything that he might knock over or throw. If it's up to me, I don't let Luca have anything breakable near him. Cassie likes to give him glass dishes sometimes, porcelain dishes. live life on the edge.
I'll hold the dish. You push it. Push it in.
He's got a good arm for a little guy.
Yeah, they're not dirty. That's called spices.
There are definitely times where he can get his binky to go a few rows in that plane and hit someone with it.
He thinks the olives are dirty because they have spices on them. You got one. Good job. No, it's not dirty. It's not dirty. Keep it in your mouth.
Yeah, Luca loves olives unless there's a peppercorn on it, and then it's a dirty olive. And he won't eat a dirty olive. He is all about texture.
That's good. Luca, would you like a French fry? It's fine.
Is that his first one?
French fries. It's your first feet.
I get scallops and risotto with a white butter sauce. Looks really good.
I have the quintessential French sandwich. Croque monsieur. Looks good. They cut the crust off for you.
Too. Luca has a little bit of everything we have, but probably a lot of French fries.
We don't trust him with glassware at fancy restaurants or just restaurants in general.
Or at home.
Or at home.
All right. Let's take it.
Would you like to have a bite of
So good. It's like perfectly al dente, cheesy risotto. Perfectly cooked scallops. Perfectly seared. The white butter sauce is awesome. Cassie gave it a try.
I ate the scallop.
I made her try it.
With the sauce.
How's your croque monsieur?
It's very good.
Yeah, is it better than
It's like two
Disneyland?
sandwiches in one. Yes, it's better than Disneyland.
Very nice, yeah. It's like double layered. And what's stacked on top of each other? Luca, how are your French fries? Are they good? Yeah. In review.
In review. Meal's over. Luca did okay. He didn't want to try any of our food. He did eat the French fries.
And
He
bread.
did try the rice. Didn't like it. He ate the bread, the baguette. He ate all the olives. -1. All the olives -1. He is very fascinated by all the motorcycles that keep driving by. But it actually wasn't as bad as the first 5 minutes. He sat here, ate his French fries. We were able to eat our food, drink our wine. So, altogether, if it was like this, I wouldn't eat it. So. Wow! Yeah.
No.
Wow. Look. Do you see all the twinkles? You see them? No, you're just gonna sit on the dirty floor? Oh, there he goes. Okay. Luca, no puddles. Okay, no puddles. Good morning. We are on day 4 in Paris, day 5 in Paris, and we are headed to City Pharma, which is a pharmacy that you can buy a lot of French beauty products at. So I'm excited. I've been waiting to go back here to stock up on some.
For a very large discount.
For a very large discount, like half off US prices, just crazy prices. So we are walking by the Louvre right now. I am holding the camera. Chris is on guard. This is what he is meant to do. His calling in life is to watch out for people, pay attention, which I am happy he is good at that. So yeah, so we are walking by the Louvre. Let's see. Luca is having so much fun at the Louvre. He's really enjoying this. Okay, we're doing it. We're having a cocktail outside in a Parisian cafe. with the baby. He's sleeping, so
Taking advantage of his nap.
we're taking advantage of his nap. So, cheers. One beautiful French street. One sleeping baby. Two happy parents. We're walking down the Seine now. We just had a drink in, I'm not sure where it was, but we just sat at a patio. I think it was Saint Germain, maybe? That's what the sign said on the street, but now we're walking along the Seine. Hi, Luca.
Duck.
What do you see?
Duck.
A duck? We're walking along the road that the Notre Dame is on, and just remembering when we first came to Paris, our first night here, this is the first thing that we saw, and it was so...
Literally, yeah, like the first thing, like crazy blue sky.
Crazy blue sky with the clouds, and it's just such a strong memory for us that was like, oh, we're in Paris. This is beautiful. So we hope it gets fixed soon. I think it's going to take a very long time. So, we're walking along the Seine. It's what?
Cut.
Cut.
We said it like 3 times already, though.
Oh yeah, I know I did. It's a really pretty day. We haven't actually walked on this side of Paris before. So, but yeah, we're just trying to figure out some things that Luca would like to do. He doesn't seem to be liking the things that we thought he would like. Like the Eiffel Tower twinkling at night. We thought, oh yeah, this is gonna be right up his alley. He'd love it. And
he just wanted to beat on my head.
He just wanted to play in the dirt, beat on Chris's head. So
run around in dirty puddles.
Yeah, but we think maybe a boat ride on the water tonight might be, or this afternoon might be something that he would like.
Anything that moves. Anything that moves, he'll be entertained by it. I think.
Yeah, we don't know.
I think.
Look. So we're gonna get stop by Laduree on the way back. Let Luca pick out some yummy macarons. And we're gonna walk right through the Tuileries garden, and we're thinking, we're talking to ourselves.
Let him loose.
We're like, oh, we'll let him loose in the gardens. You can run around. It's like we're talking about Oliver.
Our dog.
Our dog.
But yeah, he's got energy he needs to get out.
Yeah, same kind of thing.
Make him a lot calmer later.
Yes, and he really liked the gardens yesterday. And yesterday was a little bit rainy. Right now it's more sunny. So.
How many more pants can you get wet and
Oh
dirty?
man, yesterday his pants were so dirty. But when we get to London, we're going to do laundry. So it won't be bad. But yeah, I thought that was funny.
So yeah.
There's a lot of similarities between Luca and Oliver at this age. Yeah. So, but yeah. Baby on the loose. Hi, Luca. What's up? Are you having fun? Yeah.
Please what?
You want to go that way? Please. These beautiful daffodils. We're in Tuileries Garden, and the park is so much more busy today. Not summertime busy, but there's just people walking around. Do you want to see the water? It's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
You see the ducks? Yeah, those are ducks right there. There's a whole bunch of them. Luca, do you want to go get a cookie? Cookie? Look inside, lots of cookies. Look at all these cookies. Wow. You want please? Yeah, what color do you want? Do you know what color you want? Which one do you think? Oh, that one? Purple? He said purple. I don't know if you like that one, but we'll try it. That's a cookie. Pink one? Which one? Oh, the lips? That's just the box. Okay. Pink? Purple? Pink? Okay. Let's get in the line over here. Okay, we're gonna get pistachio and a salted caramel. Wait, which is the one you wanted? Purple? Which one?
Purple.
Purple? Okay, we're gonna get the lavender. Down here, there's raspberry. Okay, and then you wanted purple. Do you want that purple? This one right here? Point to it. Which one? Purple? Okay. And then we get one more. Okay, let's do lemon. Lemon? Yeah? Okay. Look at that. We picked good colors. You want a cookie? Yeah? Can you say macaron? Cookie. Can you say macaron? No? Cookie. Okay, cookie is good enough. Luca, do you have some cookies? Yeah? Cookies? We're gonna eat them outside? Okay. Let's go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See it right there, look. Do you see Pain Au Chocolat? Please? You say please? Okay. Let's see. Who do we order from? May we have a Pain Au Chocolat? Take away? S'il vous plaît? Yeah, do you want one? Yes, please? Can you say please? No, we can have two. Yes, just the Pain Au Chocolat.
Okay.
Look at all those yummy breads. Huh? Luca, do you see all the trains? Luca, do you see the trains?
Yes.
Yeah, he is very fixated on all of these trains.
Want to go on the train?
Luca, do you want to go on the train? Yeah, huh? Okay, we got all of our luggage, passports, tickets. Here we go. Hi. Do you know where we are? We're on the train. Do you know where we're going? We're going to London. Yeah, you want to go to London? Yeah. Okay, that's where we're going. You ready? Say choo choo.